Hey everyone, it's David here. So we've gotten new windows here. Right here's our permit. And then as you walk in, and again, you can't quite see the view that I'm pointing to. Well, now you can, because I'm getting closer to it. That's what I think is going to be the selling point. Right here, that. And that's the new slider we just had put in. This is me standing up out on the balcony, looking down below. With that being said, when I come back in, kitchen cabinets got built. I was hoping they'd get installed last time. They'll probably be installed by Monday. What we did mostly do is get the windows. We got them shipped over. We got the old ones out. We're gonna take those to the dump tomorrow. And we've gotten some of the drywall done and smoothed over. We had the can lighting done. So we've gotten some more of the drywall done and prepping for the paint. So the kitchen should be coming in the paint in the next couple days. We're hoping to be fully done with construction by this coming up Friday. So I'll keep you all updated every few days. I'll be putting up a video of our next project and what we're doing next.